Have you noticed your Samsung TV isn't as quick as it used to be? Apps take forever to open, the home menu lags, and even pressing the remote feels delayed. If your TV was much faster when it was new, the good news is that in many cases you can improve its performance without buying a new one. Let's start with the fix that works most often. First, give your TV a proper restart. Instead of simply turning it off, hold the power button on your remote until the Samsung logo appears. This performs what's called a cold boot and clears the TV's memory. If your remote doesn't support this, unplug the TV from the wall for about 1 minute before plugging it back in. Next, check your storage. Samsung Smart TVs don't have much internal storage, and when it starts filling up, everything slows down. Go through your installed apps and remove anything you haven't used in a while. If your TV gives you the option to clear an app's cache, do that too. If your model includes device care, open settings, then support, and select device care. Run the optimization. It checks memory, storage, and other system resources, and it only takes a minute. Now if streaming apps like Netflix or YouTube are buffering but the TV menus are still fast, the problem probably isn't the TV at all. Restart your Wi-Fi router, connect to a stronger 5 GHz network if available, or use an Ethernet cable for the most stable connection. Another simple step is checking for software updates. Samsung regularly releases updates that fix bugs and improve performance. Go to Settings, Support, then Software Update, and install any available update. If your home screen is still slow after all of that, try resetting Smart Hub. Head to Settings, Support, Device Care, Self-Diagnosis, then choose Reset Smart Hub. You'll need to sign back into your streaming apps afterward, but it often fixes sluggish menus and apps that keep freezing. And if nothing has made a noticeable difference, there's one important thing to know. Older Samsung TVs simply have slower processors and limited memory compared to newer models. As streaming apps become more demanding every year, even a perfectly working TV can start feeling slower. Unfortunately, no hidden setting can make the processor faster. If that's the case, your best upgrade isn't replacing the TV. Adding a modern streaming device like a Google TV streamer, Roku TV stick, or Apple TV can make the entire smart experience feel dramatically faster for a fraction of the cost of a new television. Try these fixes in order, and in most cases you'll notice a much smoother Samsung TV. If one of these steps worked for you, let everyone know in the comments.